In this tutorial, we will discuss about an add-on called AutoFlag that we have developed for data comparison videos. This add-on can easily add flags to your existing composition, and we have received several requests for this. Let's say we have created a composition like this, where we have a column or a pillar for each data, along with some text fields. We have to keep these pillars together under a particular collection like this, and they must have names given in an alphabetical order. It's important that no other object is present in this collection. We can give any name to this collection, but it should contain only these data columns or the pillars. Now, we need to install our add-on, so let's go to this Add-ons tab. And then we have to select our add-on file, so this zip file is the add-on that we are sharing with all our members for this month. Once this add-on is installed, you need to also enable it from here. Now, you'll discover that under the Object menu, a new menu option has appeared, which is called Add AutoFlag. But before we run this function, we need to select any one object from this collection. So let's select this pillar, and then go to the Object menu, and select Add AutoFlag. We'll get these options for the flag, so we can change the flag dimension from here, and the flag height from here. This controls the flag direction. Since we want our flags to wave in this direction, we have selected the positive x-axis, but you can change this if needed. Then this is for the specular value of the flag material, and this is the folder location for the flag pictures. We have to select the folder, where we have the same number of pictures as we have data columns. And these pictures must have their names in a sequential order like 1, 2, 3, 4. Once this is selected, we can also change the picture file type if needed. Then this is the strength of the wind, and here we have an option to bake the physics for the flag. If we select this option, it will bake all the physics present in the scene, including the cloth physics, after creating the flags. This baking can take some time, depending upon the number of flags and the length of your scene. So we can see that each pillar has got a flag of its own, with the correct picture, and they are waving nicely. We are only in the viewport, so there may be some lag, but the actual rendered output will be even more beautiful and smooth. You can also skip the option of baking, and do it later manually. If we do not select this option and execute it, it will only create the flags, without baking. You can then select any one flag, and go to the Physics tab, where we have the cloth physics added by our add-on. Under this section called Cache, you can delete any existing bake from here, and bake all the physics. The final output will be something like this, after you set up the camera and render the scene. We are sending this add-on for free, to all our members, and it will be available for everyone who joins us within this month. Later you can also purchase it from our stores, following the links given below. So thanks for watching, and let us know your feedback on this add-on.